Hello, hi again, AI legends. So today, I'm just gonna share a quick side project that I've been building for one of my friends, and this is a Slack chatbot integration that I'm building for him. It's very early stages, but I'd like to share with you the progress and hopefully follow along on this channel. So I'm gonna be using this framework. It's a very nice framework by the Slack team called Bolt, and it's a SDK that can use in different languages. I'm using the Python one, of course, and it's really nice because it gives you several endpoints very quickly and you can build out a Slack bot pretty easily. So I'm just gonna share with you what I've been building. This is what it pretty much looks like on the architecture side. So I have a Slack bot here that is hosted on Cloud Run and in a serverless environment, and it takes the user input from Slack, so you send it commands and gives you outputs. And just via the Bolt SDK as well, you get these nice endpoints where it gets the user to install the bot quite easily, and also the events, which is where the bot will listen for commands from the user. So I'll just quickly show that to you here where we are. So if you go on to the slash install endpoint, after you hosted the bot, you get this very simple add to Slack sort of button, and that will get you to this page, which enables you to install the bot onto your Slack organization. Super simple. And let's see what else we have. And also, when you register your bot, you get this nice setup page where you can set up sort of commands that you want the bots to be listening to, and permissions for your bot, and other things like get API key and whatnot. All right. So I'm just gonna quickly show you how the bot works. Here we are. So this is your typical Slack channel. Just gonna zoom it so it's easier. And I have my bot already here, which is called basic app test. So just add this bot to the channel like so. And it's gonna ask you, are you sure? There we are. So I've set up the bot to do several very simple commands, and you get this sort of directory of commands here. For my bot, I only have one simple command, which is to test the version. So if I click this and go, the bot will say, look, you said nothing. It also has made it like this, where it can echo the text back. So repeat this text to me, enter. There we go. And you also get other nifty commands like this, where you can mention the bot to do stuff. All right. So that's just a very super simple demo. And my plan is to build on this very simple app. So another thing that we can do is to add on LLMs into this, of course, do a RAG implementation. But this is where we're at, and I hope that you let me know your thoughts if you're using this as well. If you'd like to see more info or share code, just drop it in the comments and see what we can do. All right. Otherwise, take care and see you later, guys. Bye.